Welcome back to JoJo's Kitchen, and today we're going to make Irish soda bread, and traditionally made in Ireland and to be eaten with stews and soups. So tonight I'm actually cooking an Irish stew, but that'll be another video. So easy to make. Another great thing about it is that you can actually do this in the camp oven, or it's very similar to an Aussie damper. But anyway, without further ado, let's begin. So with today you will need 4 cups of flour. I use a whole grain flour, but basically you can use any flour you like, whether it's white, wholemeal, stone ground flour. You'll need an egg, large egg, 70 grams of cold butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup and 3/4 of buttermilk. Now the buttermilk and the baking soda will act together as a raising agent for your bread. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour in our flour into the mixing bowl. And we are going to use our fingertips and massage the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. If you have a food processor, you can actually put this into a food processor, and that will eliminate doing it by hands, but when cooking, I like to feel my way through from the texture. Baking tray, got some baking paper so it doesn't stick. Score your bread into a cross and then bake for 45 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius until a little bit golden brown on the top. Out of the oven. Voila, there's my Irish bread, just for you. You can let it cool down, or you can serve it warm, lashings of butter, and serve it with an Irish stew. They're sure to love it. Bye folks, that's all for today. And be sure to check out my recipe on Guinness Irish stew. That's all for today folks. See you on my next adventure. Bye.